Hello.
Hello, who's this?
Hello. Hello, my name is Patty.
You're not talking to me. I'm just daydreaming. I'm daydreaming. Yeah, you're not talking.
No, my name is Patty. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
You're not really talking. You're not alive.
Yes, I am. I am so alive. Hey, don't poke my eyes. Ow, ow.
How are you? No.
Hey, be my friend. Talk to me. Please be my friend. I don't have any.
You're a doll. How are you saying? Who's trying to mess with me?
No one. I'm real.
Okay, whoever's behind the table full of junk better get out.
I'm not. I'm real. Please talk to me and be my friend.
Why should I be your friend?
Because I don't have any.
Because you're a doll. You're not real.
I am still real.
Really? What's my name if you're real?
I don't know. You didn't tell me.
Whatever, dude. You're weird. Trying to read. You have a big test to study for.
Hey, I love that book.
Okay, obviously I'm not going to studying them because of you. Really? Creepy. Why are you staring at me?
Because I want to be your friend.
I have enough friends.
What? One more friend can't hurt.
You'll have two.
No.
What are you then?
40.
40? You
Yes.
don't think I'm going to be friends with a 40-year-old?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm mistaken. I'm 26.
Still too old. Sorry.
18.
Still too young.
19.
Still too young.
20.
No.
21. Please be my friend.
Is that all you can say?
Yes, please be my friend. I need a friend.
Why? You're an inanimate object.
No, I'm not. I'm real.
Okay, sure. I'll be your friend.
Yay, I got a friend. What should we do now, friend?
You stay here, and I'll be back.
Okay, I'll wait right here.
Okay. I'll be back.
Hurry back, friend. I wonder where she went. Friend, when are you coming back? My friend's never coming back. She's never coming back. I miss my new